This recipe is for 2 sandwiches. We're only making 1. It also says to use a 2 1/4 ounce can. This is 4 1/4. So we have to measure out for 1 sandwich. That's what we're making today. Let's see. Okay. Get the fat mixed in. Hey, it's not as soupy as I thought it would be. Half a 2 1/4 ounce can is 1.125 ounces. All right, so we need about 1.12. Okay. $1.15. We'll do that. 1.15. Jar. That's why I thought this was fun. 1 egg. Oh! Deviled ham. The original recipe calls for a tablespoon of onion, green pepper, and milk. We're using half a tablespoon. Minced onion. Minced green pepper. I'll put a little more than we should. And half a tablespoon of milk. That's pretty neat, isn't it? Lid on and give it a good shake. It says you can take this on a picnic and shake it again when you get to the picnic. We're not going to skimp on the fat. Hi. Butter is good. I'll probably put some mayonnaise on the bread. In you go. Let's spread out the green peppers. I was just 2 years old when this came out. It doesn't say to put anything on the bread. We're going to put some blue plate on both halves. Just a little. That'd be fun to have at a picnic, don't you think? This is a deviled Denver. Underwood Deviled Denvers. We're getting close. It's supposed to be nice and toasty. I can smell it. Smells good. I'm flipping it. Oh, that's pretty. That's pretty, man. Oh, isn't that fun? I think that's fun. Top is on. Let's cut it diagonally. Doesn't call for mayo. Let's give it a try. Green pepper. I'm totally tasting the green pepper. I think I'm picking up on the onion. The Underwood is very subtle. That's delicious. Unexpectedly delicious. Huh. Hey, thanks for joining me this Friday. You know what I'm going to say? What am I going to say? Unexpectedly delicious. That's a fun breakfast sandwich. I can't stop eating it. Wow. Thanks for watching.